Hello everyone, Jason Markowitz here from Jan Supply. Today we've got a very cool product unboxing video for you. This is the Victory Electrostatic Backpack Sprayer. What's great about this one is it's cordless and you can cover a lot of ground disinfecting properly with the electrostatic charge. So let's open it up and see what comes in the box from Victory. Looks like we've got some product labels for a recommended disinfectant. Pulling everything out here. Looks like we've got the wand that came out of its little box here. So this is the box that the wand came in here. This is a 12-inch extension. We'll probably dive a little bit deeper into this later, but this is just one of the parts. Next thing, we've got a little bit of a smaller box. This looks like the accessories of the backpack. I'll show you the front here. Looks like the main sprayer unit and everything it takes to keep running. Let's open this up and take a look. Got some very nice packaging. Always really like to see what Victory does. Important to note that they have a 1-year manufacturer's warranty. Comment down below if you have any questions on that. So again, just to show what we've got, the main handheld unit, the charger. If you saw our Victory handheld unit, this probably looks a little bit familiar. So I've kind of taken them out of their individual boxes. We've got the actual sprayer wand where you're holding on to with the hookup for the hose, as well as where the actual chemical comes out. We have the charger. Again, very nice that it has the indicator lights for the battery. Always nice for the person that wants to know what's going on or trying to charge in between jobs. Of course, the battery that clicks right into the charger here. Same operation as before, and we'll show you where it goes on the backpack as well. But of course, to accompany the charger, we have the power cord. Then we have the little tool that goes into the front of the nozzle to help you change the spray that's coming out, the level of microns. Let's clear out some room here. Looks like our wand fell. Moving over this way, looks like they sent out a nice little pouch here that we can keep our accessories in. Shipped with the hose in it. I'll take it out and show you guys what that looks like. So this is the hose. One of the things that I really like about this hose is that both connections are a quick disconnect that snaps. There's no screwing things into place or taking the time to stop what you're doing and re-screw something in. It's just click and go. Again, we've got the connection for the electrostatic charge as well as the hose itself that the chemical will actually travel through. Now the actual backpack, what everybody I'm sure has been waiting for. Got a very nice unit here. Again, what I really like about the Victory product line is they all feel robust. I think I said it in our last video, it feels like a power tool that can keep on going, that can stand up to the use that we need right now with what's going on in the world. So to take a closer look at the backpack itself, we've got the reservoir for the chemical. We've got the reservoir for the chemical, which is a 2 1/4 gallon tank. In my opinion, that's kind of the happy medium. You don't want to be walking around with a backpack that's got 5 gallons of chemical, because that's pretty heavy. It can cause back problems for some people. We found that when we use the backpacks ourselves and are going out to do a job, the sweet spot's usually around 2 to 3 gallons. So this will really work well for what everybody is going to be using it for. On the front here, this is the compartment that I was speaking of before where you'll actually put the battery in. What's nice is the door has a screw-on latch, so there's no mistakes that are happening, while you're out in the field actually working. And what's great about this is the way that the battery fits in there and clicks in is very nice, very satisfying. You know it's in, you know it's going to be working. And again, to take it out, you just click and pull. Again, like most power tools. We've got the main power switch on the side here, as well as if we flip it around to the back, just some very nice straps, definitely padded. You know, feels like a nice backpack that you'd take if you were traveling. Again, just something nice to have while you're out in the field actually working. Now we'll take a little bit closer look at the hose connection and how that all works. So we have the connection port here on the side of the machine. Again, really nice feature of the Victory. They think of the small things. There's a rubber cap that goes over the outlet for when it's not in use. Just something small, but absolutely makes a difference. We all like to keep our equipment nice and clean and keep it lasting a long time for us. So you remove the plastic, and then you can go ahead and you can plug in the quick disconnect hose, as well as honestly what reminds me of like a microphone cord attachment. You got to make sure it's in the right orientation, but it'll click in and be a nice secure fitting. So again, for the quick disconnect, all you do is push it in there and you'll hear it click. Pretty nice feedback, so you know when you've done it right. Okay, here we are now with everything in the right orientation. Again, same hookup that's on the actual backpack unit. So we can go ahead, click it in, you hear that nice click, then you go ahead and plug in the actual gun itself. Again, another nice click. All right, everybody, that wraps up our Victory unboxing video. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you learned something. If you have any questions, feel free to comment down below. We'll get back to you as soon as we possibly can. If you're interested in purchasing one of these units, you can check out our website, www.jan-supply.com, and stay tuned for more. Don't forget to like and subscribe.